Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today's video is about my new stormproof lighter, this one. But before we dive into this video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? This is the Scandi stormproof lighter, and this is the box it came in. I put that away, and here we have the lighter itself. I don't know the length of this one, but I can tell you this is made of an aluminum alloy of some sort. Probably the ones they use in airplanes. And it has plus and minus here, so you can adjust it with this ring. That means if you turn it on plus, the flame will be pretty big, okay? And if you turn it more to minus, you will have a smaller flame. And this little button here, this is actually the safety pin. And here you ignite the lighter. So, what can I say about the design? Well, it looks like Saruman's staff, but it also looked like a Sith Lord's lightsaber. And you adjust the flame with this ring. And if you look at the front, it's like a star shape in the middle and a hole through, down through, okay? And if you see on the side, you have like a tunnel of some sort, where the gas goes up through and hit the spark that ignites the gas. And this one runs on butane gas, which is pretty normal for most lighters of this type, and even Zippo lighters or other types of lighters as well. I believe not big lighters, but anyway, so let's fire this baby up for a short moment. Pull the safety pin, and we just pull this up. And as you can see, it's a big flame, and I don't want to run out of gas because that would be terrible. But the best thing with this one is it is refillable. So you can fill this up with more new butane gas, which means you have one little hole here. You can refill it. So that's really nice. And as you see, so this flame is pretty big, okay? And so you can definitely burn your nose and eyebrows off. But you should not leave this in direct sunlight. And you should not do it anyway with a big lighter or any type of lighters. Because they can explode, okay? But this is a pretty big lighter. This one you don't put in your pocket, okay? You put this in your backpack, so if you're on a hiking trip or canoeing or a camping trip and need to start a fire, you can use this. And I bought this for, I believe it was 250 crowns. And it's good, decent price. And it's Gandhi who made this, and I'm not sponsored by them. That's all I had for today's video, guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. And don't forget, be part of the solution, not the problem. Stay safe. God bless. Strength and honor. ShadowScoutSwede. Out. Oh, and I forgot one thing. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. And now I'm out.